Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.
Hello students, greetings from Learn to Lead Academy. Now we are going to start with the previous year questions on electrostatics. First, in this video, we will discuss few basic questions which was asked in the previous year. In this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel to score more and also to improve your score in the physics part. நிறைய ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா physics partல lag ஆகுறீங்க. To improve your score in NEET 2025 in physics part, watch out our videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Now, let us see the question. If a body gives out 10 power 9 electrons per second, how much time is required to get a total charge of 1 coulomb number? So here the question is, how much time is required? They are asking what is the time required to get a total charge of 1 coulomb number. Okay, and we know a basic formula Q is equal to N into E, where Q refers to total charge, N refers to number of electrons, and E refers to charge of electron. So 1 coulomb of charge, here they have given what? 1 coulomb of charge. Now, N is equal to, you can write as Q by E. And 1 coulomb of charge, Q refers to 1, and charge of an electron is nothing but 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. You will get out 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. And now, to find the time required. So, for 1 second it gives out 10 power 9 electrons and there are 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons are there. Right? So you'll get your answer as 6.25 into 10 to the power 9 seconds. If you convert this into year, number of years, 198 years is your answer. So around it will take 198 years. Okay, so just remember this formula, Q is equal to NE. Next. The number of electrons that must be removed from an electrically neutral silver dollar to give it a charge of plus 2.4 coulomb. Charge they have given, it is nothing but plus 2.4 coulomb total charge. And number of electrons, what is the value of N? N is equal to, we know that it is nothing but Q by E, where Q value is 2.4 and charge of an electron 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. If you cancel in terms of 80, we will get 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is nothing but 1.5 into 10 to the power 19. The main mistake most of the students who do in physics is they refuse to do the calculation part. Calculation யாருமே போடுறதில்லை. நீங்க கால்குலேஷன் போட்டு பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா கண்டிப்பா 80% of the students calculationல வீக்கா இருக்கும். If you improve that calculation part and if you remember the formulas alone, definitely you can score 35 plus questions. That is, definitely you can clear 35 questions in physics part. Only if you are thorough with the concepts as well as the problems. To speed up your calculation, you need to do more basic calculations. நிறைய basic calculations solve பண்ணி பார்த்தா தான் தெரியும். இப்போ நம்ம 12th படிக்கிறோம், basic calculations நம்ம போடணுமான்னு நிறைய students யோசிக்கிறீங்க. அதுல lag ஆகுறதுனால தான் you're not able to score. Most of the students are not able to score in the physics part. They lag in it. Okay. Now, if point charges they have given as Q1, Q2, they are separated at 30 centimeter apart. Find electrostatic force between them. So force is equal to K into Q1 Q2 by R square. And we know that the value of constant K is 9 into 10 to the power 9. And substitute Q1 as 2 into 10 to the power minus 7. And Q2 is 3 into 10 to the power minus 7. Divided by R square. They have separated by 30 centimeter distance. Substitute as meter. 30 into 10 to the power minus 2 the whole square. Okay, if you solve this, you will get 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 Newton as your answer. Okay, 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 newtons. Next. For two charges Q1 and Q2, the force between them for some separation of in air is F. Okay, when the two charges are kept in air, force is F. Then force between them in a medium of permittivity. If the two charges kept in a medium of permittivity epsilon, what is the force between them? When the two charges are placed in air, the force between them, we know it is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. Okay, if epsilon naught is the permittivity of free space, right? And when the charges are kept in a medium, okay, its permittivity is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into its relative permittivity to Q1 Q2 by R square. When charges are kept in a medium, you can write the formula as where epsilon by epsilon naught denotes epsilon R. Okay, now if you substitute F for this value and charges are kept in a medium, this is a relationship. Epsilon naught by epsilon 2. Okay. And now, we'll see the next question. When an electric dipole is placed in a uniform electric field E, then at what angle between P and E the value of torque will be maximum? See, when an electric dipole is nothing but two equal and opposite charges separated by some distance, right? The torque exerted is PE sin theta. For torque to be maximum, sin theta should be equal to 1, right? If sin theta is equal to 1, then theta value should be 90. So to get maximum torque, PE, theta should be equal to 90 degree. Option A is your answer. I hope you got some ideas based on the basic formulas. Here I have applied some basic formulas like N is equal to Q by E, and then force between two charges K into Q1 Q2 by R square, and relative permittivity is nothing but permittivity of a medium divided by permittivity of free space, and torque formulas we have discussed. So try to remember these formulas. In the 5 questions I have used 4 formulas. Okay, so try to remember these formulas and try to go through these formulas daily. Okay, and wait for our next video. In that we are going to give you some more basic concepts and tricks for the questions based on electrostatics. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, share this video with all your friends. All the best to us.
Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.